Okay, so we are gonna do charcuterie style tacos today, and I'm gonna do these on some naan breads. This is something that Dallas, I guess, really started trying to do and loving it, and I just find it so much better than a tortilla. So I buy lots of naan breads and then I put them in the freezer. These are frozen, but the trick with naan breads actually is I got these and I was just using fresh, but they're kind of brittle when they're fresh. And so you actually want to just like run them under water and then put them in the oven for 5 minutes. I was not convinced about this at first. I thought we were just gonna end up with soggy, gross naans. Dallas did the research for us. So I was like, okay, try it, see what you think. And they turned out amazing. So the tip is you just want them to be 5 minutes. Often if I'm doing this, I won't worry about putting salsa and sour cream in little bowls just for less dishes, but often I buy no-name products to try to save money on groceries, but this kind of looks ugly on the table. So if you want to have a little bit nicer night and you don't mind a few extra dishes, just putting it in something like this looks so much better and can feel like just a little bit higher end special meal. Okay, so I just heat up a little bit of leftover rice because I thought it would go good with this meal, and I had made extra for another meal, so we threw it in. Just saves a little bit of time. It's just a tip that you can make more leftovers to add into other meals for just to speed things up a little more. Homemade taco seasoning. Looks like I'm gonna need to make more of this soon. I make up a bunch all at once and then it lasts a really long time. So we're gonna put that on our taco meat.